Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel, guys. So guys, one question is there. Sir, how we can creating for Facebook ad to generating website traffic? So you can see the number of people they creating for sponsor ad. This sponsor we can promoting YouTube channel, anything. There are a lot of promoting for using Facebook option. My option is called count of languages. In this count of languages, how we can promoting through Facebook to generating by awareness, website traffic, everything we can check from the through Facebook ads option. In this purpose, we have the option name is called here. So this will be automated ads and we can Facebook ads, lot of options are there. When you click automated ads, this is completely budget optimization for website traffic and awareness, everything option will be here. In this, first of all, select your account. Do you have a people come to your business location? If you yes or yes, no or no, as you wish. So I don't want interest to physical location. Do you have website? Yes. Do you have people buy product your website? No, I can't buy any products. I'm looking for services. Next. Do you people book appointment on your website? Yes. Obviously, what are the service looking for? Do you get leads through your website? Yes. Purpose, I'm the translator. In this website, providing for language translating from 400 plus languages and location also, all countries. In this, do you want people contact you? Yes. Means these are the options. How do you want people to contact you or select all the apply? They call me, they share contact details, they message on the Facebook option. Next one, what are your priorities? Language, translation interpreter, translation. Now we target anyone. Now click for here option is anything is a interpretation. Is there a check from language interpretation. Next, add your image. Image is must and should important where we can design the images. This is the most important option. So image will be designed here. So image option will be select. Only one image and priority, not for multiple images. Next, after that, you can go to the finding audience, get more mess on your here, get more leads, get more bookings, see more option, get more traffic, promote your contact locally. So these are option will be here. In this, before duration, automatic, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, here all options are here. So in this particular, based on option, so it is the people reaching on the particular budget wise daily budget. So I'm open, my daily budget will be starting with the 80 rupees. So these are the people will be reach on a particular audience, get more traffic on your my website. First of all, I have to increase my website traffic, then people know about my website. Click for promote now. The finally is going to promote your particular option. So, sir, here I'm not placing the my location. Automated ad automatically will be show the budget to the location will be identified based on your Google Maps and the Facebook Maps. So this will be located by the Facebook map option. So now we go into the ad center. They can check my ad is under review. When is approved, within 24 hours, ad will be approved. So what are the options are here? We can check from ad center option. How many reach, how many link clicks, everything we can check from here itself. These all options will be given on the particular website automated ads. They give the best budget to generating leads, website traffic, messengers, your phone calls, everything accepted by the automated ads. Any automated ads will be create, they show on the ad center option. These are the priority will be follow and promote your website from Facebook automated ads. This will be help to the audience reaching on your website and get your calls or get your message. Anything will be happen through your particular website. Don't forget, follow these instructions and improve your website traffic, get calls, get message, and request quote also. So this is called to generating website leads from Facebook automated ads. So if you have any query, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be help you. And one more thing, guys. Recently, a lot of people are worried about that I'm not give the reply from comment box. So due to some technical reason, I'm not unable to give the reply from your comments. I definitely reply from the within the week. You can start with any question. If you have any questions now in your mind, any video required, you can ask me to my channel, Rakesh Tech Solution. WhatsApp me. I definitely make the video and upload the through my channel. I will always support you to know the good knowledge. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my content.